morning, good morning, and a pleasant morning to all of you. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo. Thank you very much for coming. And we really appreciate your presence. Kasi talagang hindi ko na-expect. Ako, from the bottom of our hearts, we really thank you for coming. Celebrate this momentous event with us. And of course, to the admin of everything, thank you very much for coming. For the help, for the shares, and everything you have given to us. Salamat talaga for the support. Thank you. For my day-by-day family, thank you talaga. Alam mo, talaga, isang sabik, request ko lang, nandyan sila para sa akin. Maraming salamat. They're my family. Day by day, nasa taas lang dito. Ganyan lang. So, kung gusto niyo mag-visit din, pwede you're welcome. Welcome naman yung church namin. And for my family, to tell you all, I'm retiree. And magpapasalamat pa rin ako that despite of that, all of my family in DTI are still here. And the friendship will never end. We will still remain the same. Always and forever. Yung group chat natin tuloy-tuloy yan, hindi matatapos siya. Lahat-lahat. Kasi most especially nandito lang. Wala na kayo mawala kasi araw-araw kayo lahat. Salamat sa mga bisita nila, Sherwin, nila Jack, sa aming mga Harvard family, sa family ni Jack, sa family ni Sherwin, kahit Kat, sa friends namin, sa mga vloggers, sa mga ambassadors natin sa Facebook ito. Sa mga, all, I cannot mention you all one by one, but then my sister, thank you all. And yeah, stay tuned because we will enjoy the rest of the day. And thank you once again. Maraming salamat. But please continue to support us starting now. Bili tayo after nito. Free lang, pero susunod bili tayo. Maraming salamat. Again, thank you for coming.